So today I'm talking about a Toyota with the P0441 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. So what is a Toyota P0441 code? Well, it's an evaporative emission control system incorrect purge flow. And what does this mean? Well, the evap system helps contain all the gas vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. They get sent back into the engine to get burnt off, and this helps lower emissions. And the onboard computer is seeing an issue with this, so I have to be troubleshooted to know why. And some of the possible causes could be a bad gas cap, could be a bad purge valve solenoid, could be a bad charcoal canister, or possibly an evap leak. And so the first thing to do when you get this code is to go check out the gas cap. It might be good, but the gas cap is a part of the evap system, so it'll need to be checked. Be sure that it's seated all the way in there because the evap system does need to be sealed. And if that little rubber piece that seals it inside there is tore up or damaged or anything like this, then it might be time to replace the gas cap. If you do replace it, be sure to get an OEM one, as sometimes those third-party aftermarket ones, they don't work correctly. But the first thing to go check would be the gas cap. And the next thing to check would be the purge valve, which is located in the side of the engine compartment up on top of the engine. And this is a common problem with this error code. And what the purge valve is it just opens when the engine's running to let all the gas vapors in to be burnt off, and then it closes when the engine's not running so they don't escape into the atmosphere. And it'll have like two hoses going to it and a wiring harness. And that's something you're going to want to check. You're going to want to be sure that this wiring harness is plugged in good, that it's got a good connection, that there's no issues there. And you could also check for voltage or any opens or shorts, because any of those things is going to cause the same symptoms as a bad purge valve. So definitely keep in mind that bad wiring, open, short, bad connection, blown fuse can cause the same problems as a bad purge valve. And so you could either test or replace the purge valve. Most people are going to just replace it. I'll jump over on Amazon and give you an idea how much they cost right now. They're ranging around $20, $40, $50. There's one for $57. They're not super high cost parts or anything, but most people will go and replace the purge valve at this point with this error code since it's a common problem. And so if you got through, you check the gas cap, that looks good. You check the purge valve and it tested good. All that wiring going back to the onboard computer and everything, that's all good. Then the next thing that could cause this problem is going to be the charcoal canister, the vent solenoid, or possibly a leak inside of one of these hoses. And while usually the charcoal canister will give you another error code, it could be a problem. But more commonly would be a leak inside of one of these hoses that runs between everything that goes back to the gas tank, or possibly one of them got blocked somehow. And so if you took it to a mechanic, what they do is they'd feed smoke into the evap system, and then wherever the smoke came out, they know there'd be a leak, and they'd just fix that leak. They repair that hose or that bad component. Now you're likely not going to have a smoke machine, but what you can do is you could go around and check all these hoses, be sure there's no cracks or anything like that, no obvious leaks, because if there's a leak inside the system or a blockage, it can cause this problem. And so what do you do if you have a Toyota with the P0441 code? Well, first thing to do, go check that gas cap. Be sure that it looks good, that the seal inside there, it's sealing and everything, and that there's no issues there. If that all looks good, go and check that purge valve. And you can either test it or replace it, but be sure that it's working good. Remember that the wiring can cause the same issues as a bad purge valve, so it'd be a good idea to check that. If that all looks good, then go ahead and check for an evap system leak. Try to go around and check all those hoses and everything. Be sure there's no leak going on anywhere or anything like this. And if that all looks good, all those things, then you can start looking at the charcoal canister. Even though the charcoal canister would usually give another error code, it's possible that it's gone bad or the vent valve has gone bad or something along these lines. So the next thing would be to start checking that charcoal canister. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a real quick brief overview of how you go about fixing a Toyota with the P0441 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.